Hey, I want to try something new today. Fridays are generally going to be more for review and like fun stuff. So I want to try this assignment. So click here and it's going to take you to this Nearpod page. What you need to do is click this arrow to move to the next slide. We're going to read the Very Hungry Tiger Shark. And this tells you what the lesson's about. This lesson is designed for students to practice reading comprehension skills and review the slides and identify read aloud banner in preparation for the lesson. This text is meant to be read aloud to students to help them comprehend concepts. And we're going to be learning why key details are important when reading an informational text. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to identify and discuss key details in a text by answering questions such as who, what, where, when, why, and discover the main topic of a text, describing it using key details. Let's start off class today visiting some divers swimming with sharks. As you explore, think about things that you want to know about sharks. So basically, you're just going to read each slide, and this just kind of is a 360 of underneath the ocean, so you can watch that. When you come to a question that says open-ended question, wait a second. The question will be up here and you type here. When you're finished, you click to the next page. Here's the directions. Here you can play the audio. This changes each page and you can listen to it.
Hi, Tiger Shark here. I just want a chance to set the record straight.
Next page. And then when you're finished with the book, you'll click here. You're going to answer some questions. The main topic is what the story is mostly about. The key details give more information about the main topic. Have another question you're going to answer. How do license plates get in the ocean? And if you need to go back to the text, you can click here and it'll show you the page it's on. Same thing, answer the question. If you need to go back in the text, you click there. Another question, another question, another question. This is time for you to pause and reflect. Now you're going to fill in the graphic organizer. First, write the main topic, and then the 3 key details. So once you read the question, you're going to click this blue arrow to make that go away. You can write using the marker, or you can put your text box, type in it. The main topic, let's say, is tiger sharks. And when you're finished typing, you can move it. Same thing here. Create your text box. Key detail 1, I don't know what it is. Type there. And when you're finished, click the next slide. Then you're going to take your quiz. And when you're finished with the quiz, it says draw an illustration. Here you can use, this is a highlighter, this is a pen. You can go into here and search a photo and add that if you would like. And then the last thing you want to do is reflect. Circle how comfortable you feel retelling key details. So I'm going to circle go because I'm a pro. And that's the end.